The COVID-19 pandemic has had a major impact on almost every aspect of our lives. Among the worst hit sectors, female entrepreneurship has faced significant setback during this time. A society in which women cannot realize their full potential loses out on the significant chance for innovation, economic growth, and job creation. Entrepreneurship remains critical to harness the economic potential of women. Only a mere 11% of businesses are owned by women in India, of which a majority are micro enterprises and self-financed. The low rates of women entrepreneurship are reflected in a dismal score in the Index of Women Entrepreneurs, where India is ranked 52nd out of the 57 surveyed countries. India's female labour force participation has reduced to 20.3% in 2020, which is the lowest in South Asia. Women-led businesses already suffer from inadequate financial resources, insufficient working capital, investor bias, lack of proper familial and social support structures, and lesser access to peer networking. These challenges have only increased due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Many women-led businesses are found in the sectors of tourism, education, and beauty, all of which have suffered temporary halt and major setback due to the physical distancing measures during the lockdown. A recent survey shows that women-led businesses are twice as likely to close down than those run by men during this time. Entrepreneurs like Brihoshpati, a vegetable vendor from Kolkata, Pooja, a beautician from Indore, and Ankita, a boutique owner from Kolkata, have suffered many challenges to keep their businesses afloat during this time.
समय ऐसा है कि 20% क्लाइंट थोड़े कम हो चुके थे, क्योंकि कुछ लोग हैं जो कोरोना से डर के भी नहीं आ रहे हैं कि यार पता नहीं सामने वाले के यहाँ पे तो पता नहीं किस किस तरह के लोग आते हैं, कहाँ से आते हैं, हम किस तरह माने की सेफ्टी है या नहीं है। तो वो अपने मतलब एक अपनी सोच बना के ही व्यक्ति बाहर नहीं निकल पाए। कुछ लोग है कि मतलब जो लोग कोरोना की वजह से कुछ लोग बाहर जो गाँव के थे, जैसे कई और सिटी से व्यक्ति आता है काम को लेके, तो वो लोग अपने आप चले गए। और कुछ लोगों का ये कि हाँ उस समय अपन थे नहीं तो कहीं और भी चले जाते हैं पार्लर में, जैसे कई जगह चालू था, जो घर से काम करते हैं उन लोगों का जैसे चालू था, तो कई लोग क्लाइंट ऐसे भी चेंज हो गए।
But we are taking a break right now. Okay. The reason being, there are a lot of problems in terms of the demand and supply basically.
Though a lot of services have shifted to the online medium, Indian women have unequal access to space, internet, and available time to utilize such virtual resources. This further affects the smooth running of their businesses. Due to lockdown and families confined to their homes, a huge chunk of caregiving responsibilities have also fallen on women. The increased domestic workload has resulted in reduced investment of time and energy by women in their professional ventures. About 79% of women-owned enterprises are self-financed, which have suffered financial losses during the lockdown. Indian women rarely own property, which makes it harder for them to take loans or utilize the same as secondary source of income.
তবে তো নদী আমার আয় বুঝলে তবে তো আমি তোমার কাছে দেনা দেবো। আমার 10 টাকা ইনকাম আর তোমার কাছে এত নেই, আমি তারপর কি করব?
और जैसे जो सेविंग थी हमारी, जो हमने इतने सालों से काम किया, फिर उससे ही मैनेज करते रहे।
As what we did was that we are taking pre-orders.
Many women entrepreneurs have had to adapt to new measures in order to sustain their businesses.
People cannot really accept the fact. I'm not generalizing these things, but these are the things which I faced. So they they just cannot accept the fact that okay, a woman can talk sense, she can take decisions on her own, she does not need the help of a male authority who is attached to her in order to choose design.
Lower participation by women entrepreneurs can have a significant negative impact on India's economic growth. It is imperative to start thinking of measures to support female entrepreneurs in their journey. Gender responsive interventions, inclusive financial services, increased funding in women led enterprises, and a focus on digital inclusion are some of the key factors that can help propel female entrepreneurship in a post pandemic India.